Scarlett O'Hara is the daughter of a wealthy plantation owner in Georgia. She's beautiful, ambitious, and manipulative, used to getting what she wants. Scarlett is infatuated with Ashley Wilkes, who plans to marry his cousin, Melanie Hamilton. At a barbecue at Ashley's plantation, Scarlett confesses her love, but Ashley rejects her, declaring his loyalty to Melanie. At the same event, Scarlett meets Rhett Butler, a charming and rebellious outsider with a tarnished reputation. Rhett admires Scarlett's fiery spirit, though she dismisses him. Soon after, the Civil War begins, disrupting their idyllic Southern way of life. The war ravages the South, and Scarlett's world begins to crumble. She marries Melanie's brother, Charles, out of spite, but he dies early in the war, leaving Scarlett a widow. She moves to Atlanta, where she becomes close to Melanie, despite secretly resenting her. As the war intensifies, Scarlett and Melanie find themselves trapped in Atlanta during a Union siege. Scarlett delivers Melanie's baby and, in a moment of desperation, takes charge, leading them back to Tara. They find the plantation in ruins, with Scarlett's mother dead and her father mentally broken. Determined to rebuild Tara, Scarlett vows to never go hungry again. She becomes hardened and ruthless, using every means, including manipulation and deceit, to ensure her survival. Scarlett marries her sister's fiancé, Frank Kennedy, for his money, using his wealth to save Tara. Her business acumen flourishes as she exploits the Reconstruction economy, shocking society with her unladylike behavior. Meanwhile, Rhett remains in her orbit, amused by her defiance of social norms and deeply in love with her. After Frank's death, Scarlett finally marries Rhett. Their marriage is passionate but tumultuous, as both are stubborn and unwilling to fully trust each other. They have a daughter, Bonnie, whom Rhett adores, but their relationship becomes increasingly strained. Scarlett's selfishness and obsession with Ashley continue to drive a wedge between her and Rhett. Tragedy strikes when their daughter Bonnie dies in a riding accident. Overcome with grief, Rhett becomes distant, while Scarlett begins to realize that her love for Ashley was an illusion and that Rhett is the one she truly loves. However, it's too late. Rhett, disillusioned and weary, decides to leave Scarlett. In their final confrontation, she begs him to stay, but he delivers the iconic line, "Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn."